हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वंस अगेन वेलकम टू माय चैनल जीरो चार्ज। मेरा नाम है अंकित एंड आज मैं आपके लिए एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट लेके आया हूं जिससे आप अपने एसी को क्लीन कर सकते हैं, अपनी बालकनी को क्लीन कर सकते हैं एंड ऑल्सो अपने कार को जो है प्रोफेशनल तरीके से वॉश कर सकते हैं। सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अगारो प्रेशर वॉशर। So this is the main unit for the Agaro pressure washer. This has got a 1900 watts of powerful motor and it can provide pressure up to 130 bars. So inside the box we get Agaro pressure washer, one inlet pipe which is 3 meters, one outlet pipe which is 8 meters, one foam bottle which is used for creating foam, one water gun, extension pipe for water gun, warranty card. In this product you get 1 year of warranty, one tap connector, bucket filter and finally 2 pipe connectors. Alright, now let's assemble Agaro pressure washer and उसके बाद हम balcony को clean करेंगे and we will also service our AC with the help of Agaro pressure washer. वीडियो को please end तक देखिएगा and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is Agaro pressure washer and at the top there is a pressure bar as well. The build quality of this washer is super solid. The top and the base of pressure washer is made of high quality plastic. Motor part is metal. This is the water outlet and this is the water inlet. There is an on off switch on the side. So first I will assemble the inlet water pipe. So I will be connecting bucket filter because I will be using bucket water for cleaning. You can also use tap connector. On this end I will attach motor connector and close this. So inlet pipe is ready. I will connect this attachment on the motor to connect the inlet pipe. So this is tightly connected. So now let's connect the inlet pipe. Simply I will push it and ये securely जो है वो lock हो जाएगा. So this is the output pipe. Let's connect this. I will press this pipe inside and lock it. So this is the pressure gun. I will connect other end of the pipe in this pressure gun and lock it. So this is tightly secured. Now let's test the Agaro pressure washer. I have filled water in the bucket and now I will insert the inlet pipe. Now I will turn on the pressure washer. So motor जो है मैंने on कर लिया है. It will take couple of minutes to get the pressure. So you can see there is pressure coming. इसे मैं कम या ज़्यादा कर सकता हूँ with the help of this knob. Now let's try cleaning this balcony. You can see how easily balcony जो है वो clean हो रही है. You can see that the balcony is very clean now and जितने भी stains थे वो सब निकल गए. So this is how the AC looks right now. आप देख सकते हैं पिछले 6 months से जो है इसकी सर्विस नहीं हुई है and it is very dirty. And at the back you can see that there is lot of dust. Alright, so now let's clean the AC. You can see that the pressure is very good and AC जो है वो बहुत easily clean हो रहा है and there is lot of dirty water coming out. Now I will connect this extension rod to clean the AC fins. First I will remove this and now I will install the extension rod and again I will connect this nozzle at the front. So this is connected. Now let's continue cleaning AC. So external unit is cleaned on the front. Now let's clean on the back side. So this is the end result for external unit. आप देख सकते हैं AC जो है वो बिल्कुल clean हो गया है. It looks like brand new. You can see that the AC fins are extremely clean. So this is the back side of the AC. I am very impressed with this pressure washer because इसने AC को जो है वो बिल्कुल proper तरीके से clean कर लिया. So now we will clean the internal unit. सबसे पहले मैं external dust को clean कर लेता हूँ. Now I will open this top lid and ये open हो गया. So inner unit को clean करना सबसे आसान है. We just have to remove this dust filter, clean it and install it back. So let's remove them one by one. So let me wash these dust filters and उसके बाद मैं इसे install कर लूँगा.
A few moments later.
So before I install the dust filter, I will clean inside. And in case there is dust on the fin, आप simple एक brush से उसे clean कर सकते हैं. Now let me install the dust filter back. So inside part is clean. Let me close it. Now let's clean the fin. So finally, professional AC service is done with the help of Agaro Pressure Washer. I hope आप लोगों को आज का वीडियो एंड ये Agaro का प्रेशर वॉशर जो है वो पसंद आया होगा। अगर पसंद आया होगा, लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए हैं, आप वहां से परचेज कर सकते हैं। Also do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that मैं आपके लिए ऐसे कंटेंट बनाता रहूं। With that note, once again thank you for watching my channel. जय हिंद।